Selokhu isikhungo esigunyaza imikhiqizo yemithi iSAHPRA samemezela ukuthi leli philisi lingasetshenziswa odokotela ukwelapha iCovid-19 kodwa ngaphansi kwemigomo eqinile seliqale ukuthengwa ubuthaphuthaphu.
Absolutely, there's a huge demand. Lots of people are asking for iIvermectin at the moment at pharmacy level. Yes, but unfortunately we're not allowed to sell it and not allowed to stock it at the moment.
Manje igelekeqe sezitholile ithuba lokuzenzela imali. Kushaqwa amaphilisi eIvermectin angaphezulu kwe-2,000 esikhumulweni seindiza eOwathambo eGoli ngenyanga edlule kumgibeli owayebuya eDubai. Kanti njengoba leli philisi lingabhaliselwe ukuba lisetshenziswe abantu kuleli, abanye sebekhethe ukuthenga iIvermectin ku-internet nalapho itholakala khona kalula. iSABC ithole ukuthi ungakwazi ukuthenga ngisho $10,000 uma uthanda. Lokhu ke kungubufakazi bokuthi leli philisi seliphenduke indlela yokwenza imali kuzephula umthetho.
We found that 4 out of the 5 tablet formulations actually had at least one undeclared pharmaceutical ingredient or medication. In fact, one of the tablets had 7 additional undeclared medications on top of the ivermectin. So that was the tablets which we had 5 samples, 4 of them, 80% were contaminated.
Okuqukethwe kulamaphilisi kungaba nomonakalo kulabo abawaphuzayo.
People must remember that when they are buying drugs that are not from a pharmacy and not from a recognized firm, they're probably not getting ivermectin. It is probably some fake that, as I mentioned, contains all sorts of other medications as well. The other issue is that there are potential toxicities, because if it is adulterated by a drug that will interact with something else that they happen to be on, that may well result in significant toxicity.
Ongoti sebexwayise ngobungozi bokusebenzisa amaphilisi athengwe ngokungemthetho.